It's Monday afternoon and there's plenty to do here, but I wanted to do a quick video about this height gauge. This is the Starrett 454E&M, which means that it's got imperial on this side and metric on this side, which is pretty helpful. Hope you've got enough light there. But the issue is, and quite a few of you have called me out or attempted to explain what I'm doing wrong here, but the issue with this particular height gauge, and it's quite a well-known issue, is that it only goes down to about 1.4 inches, which is this distance off the top to there is 1.4, and that's what it reads here. If we have a look, and a close-up look, I'll try to hold him up there. Have a look. This is from the base. 1 inch is there and 2 inches is there. So if we want to mark off something that's only, say, 200th thou high or 400th thou high, you've got a problem, because this won't, even with a dogleg scribe, and that'd be nice for this, but even if that sits on the ground, an inch kick will only get us down to 400th thou of the ground anyway. And if you make an inch and 9/16 or inch and a half one like they do make, and set this up here at inch and a half, you've got to take inch and a half off all your measurements to make them reliable. So the correct and best way to do that, if you're going to use this big height gauge for small measurements, which is probably, I don't have a lot of choice, is to set it up on a 1, 2, 3 block, and it's simple as that. That gives you a correct and accurate measurement, less the 1 inch. So you've got to take the 1 inch off, and that's what you got to do anyway, but this way at least you remember to do it. So that's what that's about, and that's how that works. There's no actual calibration in the slide. Like, you can't actually move, if you have a look here, you can't actually move this ruler up or down in here. It's just a solid rule. Actual calibration's done here on this slide, but these screws are so tight they're never going to come out, so we're going to live with this being out a couple of thou. Apart from that, it's pretty tidy really. We've got one bent screw here and one bent screw here, I believe, and a couple of new screws wouldn't hurt, or some method of straightening. Probably they'd straighten out okay. But apart from that, it's a good reliable height gauge, and it's all in its wooden box and everything. But the number one thing that people who aren't familiar with this particular height gauge don't realise is that the manual says that it only measures from 1.5 inches to 24 inches, and take it or leave it, that's all the measurement you can get out of it. You can't get any more here. Even if you move this out to the outside and slide this down, you can't get any more than that. So that's the way it is. Thanks for watching, guys and girls, and more soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe.